subscription.
No, there was over subscription.
So yeah.
Over subscription. We have to make this clear. 3 months ago.
Yeah.
The next one I buy and say there was under subscription. Oh.
Yeah, target.
But
I set here. Hold on. Your target I set here.
But what do you compare? The previous government. Yeah, so I'm saying that it is. Yes, I'm aware.
Let me.
But here comes the case that he's also saying that.
Yeah, target.
It is their target.
There was over subscription. Oh,
yeah. So Doug,
you have not been
thank you so much.
No, you have not been fair to me because hold on.
Let's say why you program we can.
Kasa you be Kasa, but make it clear. The audience should know. Say, as we stand today, there's under subscription. As for that one, blank.
Under subscription based on your
based on the
but it will be on a level of subscription.
Okay, so this is a matter for discussion in our subsequent bulletins. No problem. So we can have a discussion on this. But now, today it's not table.
Argument over fact. So there a factor to see how we to Google. What the upper Google says here?
Oh no, it's something. Oh,
why yes, fact.
What we really
or your statement and all. And I made a can say, the position or can say. Treasury bills at the moment are attractive. No, it's not the case.
It is not attractive because the interest rate, the returns on it,
and apart from the interest rate, I know you're the risk factor. That part is right, but that's not the issue. The issue is that because of the way that the government has swept a lot of money in Bank of Ghana accounts, so and I want to say, yes, if you go to most of the public institutions, OKCSA, NITA. On more account, 25 cedis. Right? That was in March.
Yeah.
But you asked how much money was there in January. In January, there was about 3 to 4 million cedis there. Now, for me, when NDC have come into power, and the money is not there, whilst it was there in January after 7th, and now it's not there in March, you can't come and ask MPP. You have to ask NDC under your watch. I have to say container C. More we catch here on 27 January. Say containers no 3,000 ever port. In February, we catch say 2,500. Then in March, you come and tell us, whilst you control national security, you control Ghana port, you control GRA, you control the whole country. Say 1,500 containers are missing. And so what should we do?
Okay, so
you should tell us where the
so let's wait. So take a listen to me. Yeah. So take a listen to me.
Okay,
so we'll find time and do this.
But on the treasury bill issue,
yeah.
So what do we? Oka se u floaty treasury bills. Udemi. Open nipa 80. Na wenya nipa 90. So because why over subscription?
Yes.
Me tell me yes treasury bills. Me see me pay 50. Na menya sister because me sister no from say who 80 into who say who dey do over subscription. But argument we dey. Enya dey bet me have this argument.
Okay, so that's also my
issue. Mama finish container issue.
Based
on the handing over notes, and a minister because minister one could port and kind container 3,000. Handing over notes, the man will say 3,000.
By the handing over notes, the handing over notes at the Mawa, you need to do your prospect before you come out public on it.
Minister here due diligence, set up committees or muko investigators, or muko MPP4. In fact, Omoa Yachi or Monansiano. Our Mukra ECG containers are cables woman. Omoa containers here, Tom before. NDC Babemu. So how can you blame the NDC government for container?
All right, so thank you so much, my brother, for coming on the show. Dr. Samai, would you next time? You're very vital. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My end discharge.
Nice to meet you.